Merry Christmas, everyone. It is finally Christmas, y'all. I woke up not too long ago. It's like after 8 now, but it's really dark outside because it's raining. So, no sun yet, maybe later. We're about to get something to eat and then we're gonna start opening gifts. Normally we open them in the evening, but since everyone's here, we're gonna just do it now. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, everyone's in the kitchen cooking because they're trying to have an early Christmas dinner today. Let me show y'all. But we got everything in the oven or on the stove, so we should be done early. Yeah, so it's the sorrel. Huh? Good? Okay, what's that? The pork? And then we got the goat guinea here. It's looking good so far. More sorry. Grandma said Merry Christmas to the people.
When we had tour Tuesday, touring. No matter me, so we call everybody everything.
Then you were saying, hey, people ain't call their head.
Exactly. Me.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you all a merry and a prosperous Christmas. Happy New Year when it comes. Bye.
Hey, everyone. Just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. Wishing everyone a happy, healthy Christmas and a happy New Year when it comes.
Okay.
Come back tomorrow and we'll be gone
Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
So extra.
It seems real though.
Okay.
Who's it from?
You need to check who's it from.
I said it's from to RG from mommy.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna wear this every single time I run in the house.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Virgin.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, Ron. Let's go.
Open them. Let me see.
From Grandma Tutorial.
No. Hold on. It says two.
Oh, good. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I was opposite.
You said how was it?
Yeah, Grandma.
Oh,
Two
these
grams.
bags, right?
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, well, I'm doing it. Well, Grandma's doing that. I'm going to see.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone you see.
Oh.
You see what in there?
Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is nice.
Wait.
It's cute.
Okay.
And a little pouch too. Oh, it's a complete.
Okay. It's definitely me.
Nice.
From Grandma. Okay.
Okay.
That's a Christmas gift.
Wow. Good.
Oh.
Oh. Prosecco Rose.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
Yes, that's Grandma.
May I open
Yeah.
it now?
Hold on, RJ. Huh? Put it back.
Smell really
And
good.
wait.
Yeah.
Right.
You gotta wait till the person finish.
Smell really good.
Right.
Cute.
The candle?
Yeah.
What kind is it?
Prosecco rosé. Alright.
It's so heavy.
Yeah.
Alright, now you can go.
Who's that from mommy?
Not from Daddy.
Oh. Because mommy didn't open one yet.
Daddy, I don't think there was nothing else from us.
Come in, Noya. We get hot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tori.
You're welcome.
I did that one. Yeah. Okay.
Let it go.
Alright, you guys. So, it's later in the evening now. I've been busy helping out in the kitchen, and you know, my allergies have been acting up. So I've just been sitting down. I feel a bit better now, but you know. Anyways, I just took a shower, put some jeans on, and then I'm about to put this on in case I feel cold. Even though I'm not cold, but yep. I just have my sweater on, some jeans. I'm in the house, so you know, that's it. And then I think we're gonna eat soon because the food's all done. We just have to reheat everything. So I'm gonna go see where they're at. My aunt is here. Oh, let me close the door because I don't want to get copyrighted. My aunt is here. She's making mimosas. No, she's making sangrias. So I'm gonna have to see where she's at with that. But yeah, let's go check. There it is. I guess she opened it. You get to fit open? No, me just say you get to fit open.
Me say you want never phone here with
Today is my last day of Vlogmas. Me da vlog all days for Christmas. You want to wish them a Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, vloggers.
We're heating up all the food, reheating them because my grandma and my mom, like, they started cooking early this Christmas. So it's currently like about to be 6. So we're on a roll because usually we eat at 8. RJ, look how you went and opened the thing. Now the stuff is falling down. I told you to leave it alone. Don't open it back because I'm going to go fix it. With crinkles. You just get a paper. Sticky paper.
I'll put you
I know what to get in. It's for
Hey, RJ.
meat.
This is the Tory vlog.
This is a buffet.
Photographer. I don't know what it
Yeah, this is a
is.
buffet.
I feel like me a photographer. So I don't know
This
name.
is not
Whatever. Okay. Alright, what is up, you guys? I'm back. So, we're all done with Christmas dinner.
I'm so cold.
Everyone,
Cake was so good though.
everyone left. So we're just cleaning up. the space, putting everything back where it belongs, and you know, packing up food. I just finished packing up food and stuff.
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap.
So yeah, we're done. Christmas is done, you guys. Like Christmas. Well, it's not. Yeah, you're right. Still got an hour and a half, I think. So
Merry
yeah.
Christmas and Happy New Year. Whatever time you're watching this.
Okay. He over there, y'all. But yeah, once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Because I'm taking a break from vlogging. But yes, you guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. You guys had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you guys have a great new year, prosperous new year. And thanks again for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more content, click that bell so you know whenever I post, and I will see you in my next one. Everybody say bye to the vlog.
Corey,
Bye.
how long are you gonna start me vlogging?
Say bye, RJ.
Bye.
Say bye, Ralph.
Don't forget your chin.
Okay.
Say bye.
All right. Bye.